Welcome to another cinematic journey with ArchViz Ascent. This time, we travel to the serene and beautiful shores of the Isle of Wight in the United Kingdom, home to the striking island rest project by Ström Architects. This contemporary family holiday retreat was conceived as a special space to bring the family together, focused entirely on nature, water access, and the unique setting along the Solent strait. The design features a simple, low-profile single-story rectilinear form containing the main living and dining area, with a distinct bedroom wing leading off it. Every room must be carefully situated to maximize the spectacular views to the north. Critically, the living areas also look out onto a south-facing courtyard, creating a dramatic sense of light and space as you look clear through the house to the gardens and the water beyond. Given the sensitive waterside location, the architects carefully addressed the flood risk by raising the entire floor level. This causes the house to span out on a single level, leaving the bedroom wing gracefully floating over the landscape below. We will showcase the materials like the dark black stained larch cladding, the oak interiors, and the overall natural organic feel of the surrounding landscaping. Join us as we bring this masterfully designed coastal sanctuary to life using the power of Unreal Engine. Let's take a quick walkthrough of this beautiful villa together. I'll start the tour by entering from this area. I've specifically implemented a feature in Unreal Engine that allows us to instantly change the materials of the ceiling and floor. There is virtually no limitation on the number of materials we can define. We can even dynamically change the objects and the entire furniture layout. This specific boundary marks the area where the material customization feature is active. If I step outside this zone, I will lose the ability to change materials until I re-enter. The beautiful courtyard situated behind the house, which intelligently and effectively separates the public and private wings of the building. And this section houses a room with an absolutely stunning, unparalleled view. Next up, we find the restroom, featuring a beautiful floor-to-ceiling window looking out onto the landscape. While I personally would prefer to draw a sheer curtain across the glass for privacy, this window essentially transforms the entire space. It converts what would normally be a dark back-of-house utility area into a beautiful room, flooded with natural light and offering a fantastic view. At the end of the corridor, we have the ideal spot for a practical element like coat rack or a mirror. We'll now explore the beautiful main living and kitchen area. There's a slight design change I made here. The original architects placed the formal dining table in this exact location. However, the truly unparalleled view from this side made me feel compelled to place a comfortable sofa here instead. Allowing us to fully appreciate the scenery, we can easily utilize the large kitchen island as a flexible dining table. Now, let's move on to explore the bedrooms. Here is one of the rooms, offering an absolutely breathtaking view. I wonder if you noticed that the doors are currently opening as a single mesh, along with their frame. Since I imported this model directly from Revit, it came in as one unified mesh. This highlights a common technical compromise in the Revit to Unreal workflow. For full interactive functionality, the best practice is always to use dedicated 3ds Max models or separate the geometry manually within Unreal. Moving on, we find the next bedroom and its incredible view. And this wing houses the main bedroom, featuring that infinitely beautiful, spectacular panorama. Now for the final room. We have the restroom, featuring a full-height window. And finally, the main bedroom space itself, with a fantastic view of this beautiful scenery. can also access the courtyard from this section. Let's go take a look at the back courtyard together. It's a beautiful, small courtyard that effectively separates the private and public zones of the house. And here's the view of the villa, as seen from the back courtyard. The design truly is magnificent. This is the initial room we toured together. The restroom is on the left, and the bedroom with its spectacular view is on the right. And finally, from here, we can return to the main living room, where we are immediately greeted by this beautiful sweeping vista. It is important for me to mention that I did not model the shoreline and beach area exactly according to the real-world location, as-built condition, simply because precise photographic references for that specific section were not available. Therefore, some creative liberty was taken in the landscaping near the water. Thank you for joining me on this cinematic tour of Island Rest. I truly hope you enjoyed exploring the stunning design and the technical capabilities we achieved in Unreal Engine. If you are looking for professional architectural visualization services, modeling, or custom Unreal Engine projects, please check the description below for contact information. If you want to learn the entire process, from the detailed modeling and material creation to setting up the interactive elements and rendering the final cinematic sequence, be sure to check the channel. The full Island Rest Masterclass tutorial is available on ArchViz Ascent. And for our next architectural visualization journey, we'll be traveling to New Zealand to explore the stunning Mawhitipana House by McKay Curtis Architects. You definitely don't want to miss that tour. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to ArchViz Ascent for more masterclasses.